with us. Relax your arms. Elbows, right and left. The descending elbow starts high, cuts low. Striking between the elbow and the forearm to the side of their imaginary opponent. Now listen, it's called a downward punch. You go 16, 15, 14, 13. Hand on your inside of the knee, elbow over shoulder, squeeze your fist, bend. Now, double right knee front, double left knee back. If I was to say to you, this track is going to make you feel something you've never felt before, how would that make you feel now? A little bit nervous or a little bit excited? Huh? Now you can stay down in the rear or join us for cardio training. Easy bounce from side to side. Don't blink because you might miss the first one. Plyometric training, more power, more power. It's called a jumping right knee. Up in the air, land stop, left. So again, now try this, all on the floor. It's only an option, because I'm sure you probably thought, what was that? I'll show you again, jump. Land soft. One more time. Big jump, land soft. Elbow right, elbow left. Punch. Elbow right, punch. Bring the hand back up high. So for a moment, you can stretch your chest up and then land it down, yeah? The thumb, boom, chokes. It's just chokes. Double right knee, go.
All right, stop there. Madness, what was that move? I know what you're thinking. Right, Dan, are you serious? You did what? How am I supposed to do that? I'm no martial artist. Well, snap. Neither was I. But I learned, and that's what practice makes. So just try it until you get it. Check out the tutorials. They're there for you.
All right, swing your arms for a little bit more cardio training. Point your toes down. Sharpen the knees. Lean your shoulders back. Get ready. Here comes the big stuff. One jump or stay down. If you haven't tried it, give it a go. You don't have to jump so high. Woo! Heart rate's up. I imagine here's my opponent, and I grab him. Boom! Elbow! Double punch. Down. Cut. Slice. Jamming. Bum. Bum. All these calories you're burning. You're doing some fantastic things to your body right now. One extra punch. Boom! I didn't hear a bell. I just heard recover. Because if you want to maximize this, you've got to maximize this. Yeah? Alright, elbows. Join us. Or you want to grab water, go right ahead, grab water. You got it? You ready to join in? Join in the downward punch. 16, 15, 14. I never want you to sacrifice your technique. Never do this. Lift up a little bit higher. Double left knee. Double right. This is what we call our holding pattern. Now I want you to embrace this feeling right now. This program, yeah, it's challenging, but it's achievable. You know, I wasn't born knowing how to punch and kick. I had to work for it. But by working for it, you know what happened to me? I actually became really addicted to it. And because I became addicted, I was passionate, that's when I became pretty good at it. All right, now let's gonna take it up. One jump there, let's go. You know what just happened? I think I just got a second wind. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good now.
That's bad news for you.
Woo! One more time, let's go. Right, elbows, downward punch. If you need to take a breather, we said take a breather. Or, how about this, so you can pull back. You pull back your intensity. You just focus on a different rhythm. What you don't do is just give up. Alright? Double knee.
Alright, let's touch base. How you feeling at home? How you feeling back here? Breathing out your ears? Yep. That's 2. Question. Why do you buy this DVD? Trying to get fit? You want to change the shape of your body? Yeah? That was the right answer. And we're here for you. So if you want to turn it up, now's the time to fight for your fitness!
Come on. Hold on. Deep breath. That's your last round of jumps. Last round, team. Here it comes. Pull down. Now, jump up. Go. We will rock you. Jump, land wide. Elbow, left, right, go. Punch. 6 more reps. That's 10 seconds on the clock.
All right, breathe everybody, come on.
5 seconds.
Fight for it. You want it? Take it off me.
3 seconds. Extra punch. Boom. Yeah.
Woo. Send again. Congratulations, but it ain't over.